Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel, guys. I just made myself breakfast and I'm gonna give you a mukbang. Yes, don't mind my hair, guys. Don't mind my hair. I tell you, you will see me like this sometimes. This is the real me. Do you think I'm gonna go titivate up myself and dress up in my best outfit to come on the camera? No, you will have to take me just as I am sometimes. Okay, so don't mind my look at the moment. I just wake up, I'm in my house, so I will give you the video just like this, the real me. This is. So anyway, guys, as I said before you, I just made myself breakfast and I'm gonna give you a mukbang. So let's get in our video, okay? This is the breakfast, guy. I just made this and I think I want to give you a mukbang with it. So if you have not yet watched that video with how I prepare this breakfast, the link will be in the description box, so you can go check it out and tell me if you like it, okay? So stay tuned while we get in our mukbang. So guys, do you think I was gonna prepare this breakfast and don't give you the taste of it? Oh, come on. So I will be having this breakfast now that we made together, and I will be having this as my drink, because remember I told you when it comes to early morning, very early in the morning, that's the hours I take my coffee. No, I don't need another cup of coffee now, so I'll take the juice instead. Okay, so let's start eating. I have to taste this for you to see. I have to taste this to tell you what it tastes like. This is my first time trying to prepare this menu, and what if I told you I did this menu before now? But as you all know that I am not technology advanced, I started to do it on my camera. The camera memory was full, so I did the ending part on my phone. So part was done on the camera and part was done on the phone. Now you know that whenever time you use the camera to do a video, it is too big to be sent, so it is not possible to come over to the phone. So I put all the footages on the laptop, but guess what? I am not good at using the laptop to edit, because it is another editor and I have not yet learned how to use that editor. I am getting there, but guys, I think you need to try this recipe. It's good. Yes, I am getting there, but I have not yet learned everything, how to do everything. So I had to redo the video but I did it in a different way. I did not do it exactly how I did do this one now. But you need to try this breakfast, guys. Egg, spinach, ham, and cheese. And you don't necessarily have to use ham if you don't want to. You can use something else of your choice. But I tell you guys, this is really good. And when you try this breakfast, guys, let me know and tell me what you think. Wow, guys. I am enjoying this. And remember, if you watch this video and you did not watch the way I prepared it, the link to that video will be in this description box. So you can go over there and see how I prepared this menu. And this is a menu of my own invention. I just think I want to have something different for breakfast this morning, and I just come up with this method and the recipe. So tell me what you think. I'm gonna end this video now, and thank you all for watching. And please share me out and subscribe to the channel if you are new, with the post notification bell on. So you will be notified when I post my next upload. Thank you all for watching once more. And you all have a nice day. See you in my next video. I really enjoy this.